Two major tips to improve your PT speaking scores. Tip number 1. Focus more on repeat sentence. This is one of the most important sections in your PT examination. Repeat sentence itself contributes more than 32 scores to your speaking module. So practice on this by listening to podcast and lecture. This will definitely increase your listening scores too. Tip number 2. Don't worry about the content. In your PT examination, content is not the priority. It's all about your fluency and pronunciation. So don't worry about the content. If you worry about the content, you will definitely fumble. As a result, your scores will go down. So just understand, listen and speak by using the proven templates. To know more about proven templates and for more tips and tricks, join ASHBERRY.